For example, clear P7 is equal, I'm going to say pillars, and then we're going to say Wahid, and then Lutfi. At this time, I don't have to even say the country because the country could be set later. But let's see if this program, maybe I could just try it first here. Python import pillars, and then now say dir of pillars, and then P7 is there. P7 dot what is the name of the function is pillars info. P7 dot, so P7 is there. Let me just see whether the object of, oh yeah, and instead of, once you're inside here, you have to say pillars dot P7 dot pillar info, and that would print the information that you want. So let me clear the screen here. I'm going to say print and then a new line character, maybe 50 times. So I'm just going to times 50. That would clear the screen. Times 50, 5, and then 0, and then that. So that does this, and then I'm going to exit out of this just one time to see what I can do here. Python 3 import pillars. So here what is important is when you say dir of pillars, notice that pillars is the object, but then these are inside that one. So if you are looking at dir of pillars dot P7, then you can say, okay, this is the method here. So if you say, instead of this, you say print, and then pillars and dot P7 dot first name, let's say. This would print Wahid, and then this one would be printing last name Lutfi, and so on. And then this one would be email address. This would be email address, or you could just say print pillar 7 dot what is the get full name, This would just return that one, but I as an object of that class. But if when you do as a method get full name, you get this. And this other one, it says bound method pillars get at this address location. This is the object. So if you want the full name, you have to do that one. If you want like pillar 5, for example, and then dot get, it will just give you that information. Similarly, if you want like pillar 1, for example, dot get full name. The Windows is just on the keyboard is always doing this insert a little bit different. So here, if I just want to do similarly, say get full name, and then let's say get email address as email. And then notice if I just don't do it as this, it says the object at that location. But if I do it as a method, then you can see, and that is there. So if you want to say what is the type of this method or instance, give me in the type what type of method this is. It says it's a string method that returns an email address. Similarly, if you say the type of get full name, and just close one more. it says a class and there. Dir of entire thing is here again as there. So let me import sys actually OS module, and then I say os.system, and then I'm going to clear the screen here with that command, and then now I have it there. I'm going to do a dir here. You can see dir of pillars there, and then again, if you want to say print and dir, not dir, pillars and dot and double underscore doc method, you can see that is basically giving you the documentation on it. And then clearing the OS again, and then do the dir object here, dir of pillars, dir of okay, if I go type of pillars, it says that it's a class module. And because we load it as a module, it says it's a module here. And then if I say, show me the directories of this pillars here, pillars, then it's gonna say, these are the things that you can do with the directory for P1 and this. So if I wanna get to print P1 here, then I say dir of pillars.p1. This would be just showing me all the method I can do in addition to the user defined method that we have, email address, first name. So if I want to get the information for the first name of that pillar, it's going to print it if I want to print it here. Print, and there you can see printed. And then the same thing with pillar number 3, let's say. I have to just do a dot here, first name, and then you could do Ronaldo here. And then if you want to get full name, obviously it's get pillar 3 dot get underscore full name. If you just do it like this, it gives you the memory address location. But if you do it with method, and then it gives you the actual string information. And then notice that there's a lot of other information. For example, with upper method, here is there. So if you want to just change this method to upper because object oriented, you can do in the same command here, and then to do a dot right here, the dot upper method, and then that would just convert it to Cristiano Ronaldo to all uppercase. If you want to just say to lower method, because it's a string, it is going to change it all to lower. And if you want to capitalize it, capitalize there, you can just use that function and then all that there. If you want to do like title, so code reusability, that's what is object oriented all about. Title is I mistyped it. It's like that without the 1T. Sorry, let me just correct it. And then we just do that, and then undo this one, and then we'll just print it as title. Okay, I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to stop it here, and then do one last thing. So os.system, and then do a clear screen, and then clear screen, and then do a directory of all the objects here. And since the director of pillars is there, I'm gonna say director of pillars. So you can see the doc is there. So then I say print pillars and dot double underscore doc method, and you can see that it is the doc method there printed with this. And again, os.clear screen. If you want just a nice way to get the doc method here, the doc method here is printing like that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe and watch the videos and make some comments so we could just make improvement based on your needs. Have a nice one. Take care. God bless you all.